Good morning, everyone. Today we are all here to celebrate this national event, 15th of August, and our 74th year of independence. We are celebrating this with the same enthusiasm and fervor like how we do on the ground, however, with the new norm. So, this particular day specifically reminds us of our duties and responsibilities and also the sacrifices that our ancestors made. I, Amrita Giridas, welcome you all on behalf of the entire EIS family for this auspicious gathering. Now, without wasting much of our time, let's start with the function. Let's all rise up for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Freedom is never dear at any price. It is the breath of life, said Mahatma Gandhi. Now we have a patriotic speech by Veda Madan, a very soft-spoken, pragmatic and a quick-witted girl of grade 8. The most admired freedom fighter according to her is Bhagat Singh. Now let's hear from her the reasons for saying so. Let's welcome Veda.
Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel has said that there is something unique about this soil, that even after going through many obstacles, still remains a great abode of souls. On this 74th Independence Day, I, Vedha Madan of grade 8, would proudly like to share some insight on one such exemplary soul, Shaheed Bhagat Singh. Born on 28 September 1907 in Punjab, Bhagat Singh was an Indian socialist revolutionary. He was the most influential revolutionaries of the Indian independence movement. His acts of bravery against the Britishers and execution at age 23 made him a folk hero of the Indian independence movement. Bhagat Singh happily walked up to the gallows and laid down his life, igniting a spark of passion for freedom in many hearts. It is said that he had kissed the hangman's noose before it was placed around his neck. He is also known as Shaheed Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh was an outright socialist who believed in molding India into a secular, federal, socialist nation in which exploitation by one man the other was impossible. He believed in collective action by the masses rather than individual heroism to overthrow the British rule. His uncle, Sardar Ajit Singh, and his father were great freedom fighters, so Bhagat Singh grew up in a patriotic atmosphere. He always dreamt of uprooting the British Empire in his childhood. Never afraid of fighting, he always thought of growing up guns in the fields so that he could fight the British. By the age of 13, he was well aware of the revolutionary activities of his family. His father was a great supporter of Mahatma Gandhi, and when Mahatma Gandhi had called for boycotting government-aided institutions, Singh left school and joined the National College at Lahore, where he studied European revolutionary movements. Bhagat Singh played a great role in uniting people. He gave up his life to show the people of his country that if he could give up his life, others should do the same and join the freedom struggle. And his sacrifice did not go in vain. The whole country got united and started protesting against the Britishers in the way in which they could. Some stopped paying the land tax, while the others started participating in various freedom struggles. He formed the Naujawan Bharat Sabha in March 1928 with the main objective to maintain solidarity with all kinds of industrial organizations free from all communalism. He was a believer in humanity. जिंदगी तो अपने दम पर ही जी जाती है, दूसरों के कंधे पर तो सिर्फ जनाजे उठाए जाते हैं. As inspiring as this quote for him, it was inspiring for us too. Bhagat Singh is still and always will remain a big inspiration for us fellow Indians. Thank you. Jai
So
Hind.
true. Every freedom fighter of that era was inspiring. And every time we hear about them, we get goosebumps. The same way like when we listen to a national anthem or sing it. Now the next one to come is the little munchkin Anay Yeule of grade 1, who is going to recite a poem which depicts the unity in our unity in diversity of India. Now he will present a poem Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai. So let's welcome Anay.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम है अनल। मैं आपको एक कविता सुनाऊंगा। हिंदू, मुस्लिम, सिख, ईसाई, हर धर्म के लोग अनेक, मानवता ही धर्म हमारा, जिससे बने हुए हम सब एक। काले गोरे में भेद नहीं, हम सब में मतभेद नहीं, बना हुआ है हम सब में भाईचारा, जग में सुंदर देश हमारा है। जय हिंद, धन्यवाद।
Let's clap for Anay now. The next student to come is B. Shamita, a very cheerful and graceful student of grade 2. She will be presenting the poem on Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation. He was also known as Bapu, and he still remains as one of the most inspired freedom fighters of all the generations till date. Let's welcome Shamita.
Hello everyone, my name is Shamita. I am from Educon International School, Class 2. Today I am going to say a poem on Mahatma Gandhi written by Dilip Thakur. He lit the freedom's flame. Gandhi was his name. No violence and no gun, but got the job well done. He walked several miles to awaken the suppressed minds. Tolerance and the power he offered like a shower. He fought till the finish and fulfilled the countryman's wish. Let's preserve what he gave. Be wish and be brave. Jai Hind. Thank
What
you.
superb clarity in the recitation. Let's have a round of applause for Shamita. Now we have the very creative, gentle and beautiful student of grade 4, Tashi. She will be speaking on the dauntless warrior queen, the Queen of Jhansi. Correct, Jhansi Ki Rani. Even during the last fight with the Britishers, Sir Hugh Bose had mentioned that she was one of the most dangerous Indian freedom fighters, apart from being very, very beautiful and very smart. So let's hear from Tashi about Jhansi Ki Rani.
Morning teachers and my dear friends, my name is Tashi Chatterjee from grade 4. From all the great Indian warriors, my favorite personality has always been Rani of Jhansi, Rani Lakshmibai. Rani Lakshmibai was born on 19th November 1828 in Varanasi. Her name was Manikarnika, but most of the people call her Manu. At the age of 14, Manu married Gangadhar Rao, the Maharaja of Jhansi, and was called Lakshmibai. Rani Lakshmibai gave birth to Damodar Rao, who died when he was just 4 months old. Gangadhar Rao adopted a child and named him after his son, Damodar Rao. But unfortunately, Gangadhar Rao died soon due to illness. Lord Dalhousie, the Governor General of India, denied this adoption. Rani Lakshmibai was enraged by this, but eventually British captured Jhansi. Let us learn some other interesting things about her. Rani Lakshmibai studied self-defense, horsemanship, archery, and even formed her own army of her female friends of court. In 1857, Rani Lakshmibai joined the revolt of the Indian independence and took command of revolutionary forces. She fought with the sun tied on her back and died with the sword in her hand. She martyred on 18 June 1858 in a battle against the British. Indian history has not yet witnessed a woman as brave and powerful as Rani of Jhansi. Rani Lakshmibai is a glorious example of patriotism and national pride. I am really inspired by her story and want to become as brave and patriotic like her and serve my country, India. Thank you.
Wonderful. I'm sure most of you must have recollected the scenes from the movie Manikarnika. Let's have a big round of applause for Tashi. Just a quick reminder before we move on with the program. All these videos that are being played, they are only the class representative videos. The rest of the videos are there on the Flipgrid. Please visit the website and also give the response so that it means a lot for the kids. Now moving on, we have the next budding author, a very honest and kind-hearted student of grade 5, Smayan Prabhu. He is going to represent his views on the Iron Man of India and the first Deputy Prime Minister of the independent India, none other than Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. So let's welcome Smayan.
Today I'll tell you about great Indian warrior I admire the most. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, also known as Iron Man of India, was born in Gujarat on 31st October 1875 till 15 December 1950. He was popularly known as Sardar Patel and was an Indian politician. He served as the first Deputy Prime Minister of India. He was an Indian barrister, a senior leader of the Indian National Congress, and a founding father of the Republic of India, and who played a leading role for India's independence and its integration. The Statue of Unity is a colossal statue of the Indian statesman and the independence activist Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, which is located in Gujarat. I admire Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel the most. He was a very good leader, a good politician, and our India's famous freedom fighter. I admire him the most. Jai Hind.
And you've all been a very, very wonderful audience. The next one to present is Arnav Uswadkar of grade 3, and he's going to present a Marathi poem which was written by Mr. V.M. Kulkarni. It speaks about the sacrifices that our soldiers made to give independence to our motherland. So let's welcome Arnav.
Everybody, my name is Arnav Uswadkar. I study in class 3A. Today I am going to recite a Marathi patriotic poem named Je Deshaसाठी Ladle. Poem is written by poet V.M. Kulkarni. Through this poem, the poet has expressed the journey of our freedom fighters to get India free from British. Poet says, our freedom fighters left their family. Most of them went to jail. Many went hand to death. Still they kept on fighting without any fear. Finally, entire India fought against British and we got freedom. On this Independence Day, let's remember our freedom fighters and praise them with a Marathi patriotic poem named Je Deshaसाठी लढले. जे देशासाठी लढले, जे देशासाठी लढले, ते अमर हुतात्मे झाले. सोडील सर्व घरदार, सोडील सर्व घरदार, त्यागिला सुखी संसार. ज्योती समजीवन जगले, ज्योती समजीवन जगले, ते देशासाठी लढले. तो तुरुंग तो उपवास, तो तुरुंग तो उपवास, सोसला किती वनवास. कुणी फाशीवरती चढले, कुणी फाशीवरती चढले, ते देशासाठी लढली. झगडली झुंजली जनता, मग स्वतंत्र झाली माता. हिमशिखरी ध्वज फडफडले, ते देशासाठी लढले. हा राष्ट्रध्वज साक्षीला करू आपण वंदन याला. जय गीत गाव आपुले, ते देशासाठी लढले. जय हिंद, भारत माता की जय. थँक यू.
Amazing fervor, Arnav. Let's clap for him. The next one is a very confident, handsome and a very outgoing kid, Shreyas Dalal of grade 1. He is going to present the poem Mera Bharat, which was written by Mr. Yash Gulati. He explains wonderfully about our country, which is known for diverse culture and also unity in this diversity. So let's welcome Shreyas.
Hello friends, मेरा नाम है श्रेयस दलाल. मैं फर्स्ट सी में पढ़ता हूँ. आज मैं आपको एक कविता सुनाऊंगा. कविता का नाम है मेरा भारत. उसके कवि है यश गुलाटी. भारत मेरा प्यारा देश, सब देशों से न्यारा देश. हिंदू मुस्लिम भाई भाई मिलकर रहते सिख ईसाई. इसकी धरती उगले सोना, ऊंचा हिमगिरी बड़ा सलोना. सागर सोता इसके पाव है, इसके अलबेले गाँव. Thank you.
Let's have a big round of applause for Shreyas. The next one is our delicate, petite and very beautiful Shri Adya Teram from senior KG, and she is going to recite a poem, Hum Bharat Ke Rakhwale. As little kids, even they feel that josh and the fervor when they recite that. So let's welcome Adya.
My name is Sri Adya Teram and I'm in senior KG. And हम भारत के रखवाले हैं. हम बच्चे छोटे छोटे हैं. हम साहस हिम्मत वाले हैं. है गर्व है भारत माँ पर. हम भारत के रखवाले हैं. हम में लहरों का जोश उभरा है. हम में पर्वत की ऊंचाई. हम में नदियों की चंचलता. हम में सागर की गहराई. हम बच्चे अपनी ताकत से तूफानों की दिशा मोड़ दे. आसमान धरती पर रख दे. जग के सब प्रतिबंध तोड़ के हम करते गर्व अहिंसा पर. हम आफत के भड़काले हैं. सावधान की माँ के दुश्मन. हम भारत के रखवाले हैं. जय हिंद.
Let's all give a big hand to Adya for her confidence. Wonderful, Adya. The next one is the most adorable and very dashing and outgoing munchkin of EIS, Kashvi Ramakrishna. She is of senior KG and she would present the poem Desh Ki Shaan Badhayenge. Let's have her on stage, Kashvi.
नमस्कार. मेरा नाम है काशवी और आज मैं आपको एक कविता सुनाने वाली हूँ. हम नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चे हैं. दांत हमारे कच्चे हैं. हम नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चे हैं. दांत हमारे कच्चे हैं. हम भी सरक जाएंगे. हम भी सरक जाएंगे. देश की शान बढ़ाएंगे. देश की शान बढ़ाएंगे. अगर सीने में गोली लगी तो हम खा जाएंगे. अगर सीने में गोली लगी तो हम खा जाएंगे. देश की शान बढ़ाएंगे. देश की शान बढ़ाएंगे. देश की शान बढ़ाएंगे. देश की शान बढ़ाएंगे. जय हिंद. जय भारत. जय हिंद. जय भारत. जय हिंद. जय भारत.
I'm flabbergasted with her skills, her facial expressions. She deserves a big round of applause. Now, with a lot of abundance and flawless recitation, we have Arya Chavan of senior KG, who is going to say Nanna Munna Rahi Hu. So you all can also join him for the chorus. Let's welcome Arya.
Hello everyone. I am Arya Chavan from senior KGA. I will sing Nanna Munna Rahi Hu. नन्ना मुन्ना राई हूँ. देश का सिपाही हूँ. बोलो मेरे संग जय हिंद. जय हिंद. जय हिंद. जय हिंद. जय हिंद. नन्ना मुन्ना राई हूँ. देश का सिपाही हूँ. बोलो मेरे संग जय हिंद. जय हिंद. जय हिंद. जय हिंद. जय हिंद. रास्ते में चलूंगा ना डर डर के. चाहे मुझे जीना पड़े मर मर के. मंजिल से पहले न लूंगा कहीं दम. आगे ही आगे बढ़ाऊंगा कदम. देने बाएं थम. नन्ना मुन्ना राई हूँ. देश का सिपाही हूँ. बोलो मेरे संग जय हिंद. जय हिंद. जय हिंद. जय हिंद. जय हिंद. नया है जमाना मेरी नई है डगर. देश को बनाऊंगा मशीनों का नगर. भारत किसी से ना होऊंगा कहीं कम. आगे ही आगे बढ़ाऊंगा कदम. देने बाएं थम. नन्ना मुन्ना राई हूँ. देश का सिपाही हूँ. बोलो मेरे संग जय हिंद. जय हिंद. जय हिंद. जय हिंद. जय हिंद. Thank you.
Impressive, Arya. So a big round for that confidence. For a blink of an eye, let's create the stage. A stage for performance and the world of dreams. So let's put our hands together for Ketki ma'am and the girls from grade 7 and 8. And in this situation, we all are looking forward to meet you in person. So with this song, let's spread all the positive vibes and pray that we meet soon. Let's enjoy the song Muskuraayega India.
फिर से शहरों में रौनक आएगी, फिर से गाँव में लौटेगी हंसी, फिर से साथ सारे यार होंगे, ना होगी पाबंदी ना रोक ही कोई, फिर से सड़कों पे सब नाचेंगे, पटरी पे पहिए भागेंगे, गूंजेंगे खेलों के मैदान, बांटेंगे हम खुशियां, गम भी हम मिलकर बांटेंगे, फिर से होगी सपनों की उड़ान, जो साथ दे दे सारा इंडिया, फिर मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया, फिर जीत जाएगा इंडिया, जो साथ दे सारा इंडिया, फिर मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया, जो साथ दे सारा इंडिया, फिर मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया, जो साथ दे सारा इंडिया, फिर मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया, जो साथ दे सारा इंडिया।
Undoubtedly a soulful performance. Last but not the least, we are going to pay ode to our motherland with Vande Mataram, which was written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. It means that mother, I bow to thee. We have the most adored and beautiful and affectionate Desai sisters, Khushi from grade 5 and Kiara from grade 2, who would be presenting this on the synthesizer. Let's welcome them.
I'm Khushi Desai from grade 5. I'm Kiara Desai from grade 2. We are from Edukon International School and we are gonna present Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram. Susaram. Susaram. Araya Shitalam. Sashyaram.
This was the best way to end the Independence Day celebration. You've been a wonderful audience. I hope you enjoyed all the virtual celebrations that we had this day. Jai Hind.